Hey everyone, welcome to Moving Matt. We do vlogs, travel, and some camera stuff. And today I'm going to be testing you on whether you can tell the difference between 4K and 1080p. And then also give you some reasons why maybe 1080p is actually the best choice for you. So you may be wondering to yourself, why ask this question? Why do this video? Hasn't this all been done before? And you may also be wondering why I changed backgrounds. So to answer the first question, yes, it has been done before, but it's been a while. And the reason that I think it's important to do an update on this is because a lot of people have adopted 4K TVs since then. They've adopted 4K monitors, and they've also even started to bring in 4K to some smartphones. Another reason I think it's a good idea to do an update to this type of video is because YouTube may have updated their compression techniques. So in the past, when a lot of people did this type of video, they said that if you recorded in 1080p and then uploaded it as a 4K video onto YouTube, then it gave you a little bit of extra room on compression, and it pretty much gave you an identical image as creating a 4K video in the first place. So I think it's worth seeing if that's still the case with YouTube. And I think there's other reasons, but I'll get into that later. As far as the background change, I mean, this is YouTube. What do you expect? So the way that this is gonna go down is I am gonna show you a series of videos that I shot in 1080p and 4K, and I'm gonna make it an A and B test. And I'm going to label them, of course, 1, 2, 3, etc. And I'm going to switch it up between A and B, but that way you can write it down and play along if you choose to and decide which one works best. Is it a 1080p image? Is it a 4K image? Can you even tell the difference? The irony of this video is that it's actually the first video that I've shot on my new camera, the Sone a7S III, and I'm asking, is 4K even really that important? And I think that brings me to another reason that I wanted to pose this question, and that is that a lot of people who come to my channel or discover my channel for the first time are coming to see, maybe the latest and greatest news and what is this new camera that's going to be coming out in the future. And I think it's very easy for any of us and all of us to start being very envious of the cameras that are coming out. And maybe our money and time would be better spent maybe taking a class and learning more about composition and storytelling and learning things like that rather than obsessing about getting a new camera. So although I do want you to subscribe and watch my videos, and I'm always a tech geek and I love to see what's new and the greatest coming down the road, I also want you to watch with the understanding that maybe 4K isn't for you right now, because 4K requires a lot of extra storage as well as processing power from your computer, and it requires a lot more money if you're going to get a camera that can do maybe 4K 60 versus a camera that can do 1080 60. So I think, again, this is worth posing the question so that you can understand what works best for you.
Come on. This one you go. Come on, Dad.
Okay, now that you've seen the different video examples, I'm actually going to put it up on screen what the answers are. And now that you know the answers, if you did play along, drop in the comment section below and let me know how you did. Were you able to tell the difference between every clip? And if you weren't, did it maybe change your mind on which camera you think you need at this time? Drop in the comment section below and let me know. And if you've liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And until next time, peace.